my young worry. I say, Mammy, young worry. It's from a hassy, Econiano, Aquacoye, baby. You bet me a cassette. At the 4 and now 1 more day, 1 more. Incredible, out to more. And some hold a woman. I will bet me who I'm what they are to say. Yes, of course. A very nice place. Oh, nice place. A crado and I'm there to Munosha. A Padlock, Demity. I say, you know, recreational center. Airport. Enya Ketwa Bakuni. Well, honey, a recreational center. Possibly you can say they are benefiting. Yes, you can say they are really benefiting. Looking at this particular environment, very nice, smelling good. Cradoni binye. When we are the phone with you, we are the phone with Cradon Kratao. One more Din Siaka, one Oshaba could be at the hand. You can see love sign. You can see love sign. You see, it's all about love. And the waka would do in every, you know, which means a way say no air or dog. Yeah, which means a way near dog. One more kind of area. Now, one more adding. I'm out to Muko crack. It's one that I don't tell. It's one that I so nice. I say, who the essence of one quadrani be? Oh, the essence of one quadrano. Hey, the essence of one quadrano. Very nice. Very nice. A nice recreational center. On Babajo, the Yansuke bit my view. Now, Sabako for over $100 million, $45 million. Say the Bay idea Bakuna, Danisi, this kind. So you could see different signs. What you say? What you mean? Different signs. Our Padlock, Nina, or dog about relationship. Oh, Ebu Answa, one more back, one more vision, and it is believed there. I say no. I'm a common some of your tunes, Safano to and so anymore. You need to be a Safano Kodo, but it is believed say at the end of the day, no, when we have positive response, where David and Anna love. What I say, we are David and Anna. Yeah. This is David and Anna. So if you know David and if you know Anna, this is what happens. So it is all about love. Most of them are love-related issues. So you have different millions padlocks. You can't even count them. What do you mean can't say? Nina is all about love. Nina, I love. What I say, love or do. It's we B plus M. To anybody B plus M, no. A bit Beatrice and Michael. Aha. So when a bit Papa say this particular one, no, it has been so many years. I want to try if I can get any of these. Hello, Daddy. How are you? Yes, I was told this is all about love. Do you know anything about this Padlock? You don't know. Okay. All right. So it's all about love. And what has it? This is what we can give you. That's not about TV. I am Bristol Bridge. A very tourist center. A tourist center. From left and right. Signs of love. Omubie no ma we 40 plus 2 we sa event we say no we near 14th December 2023 L plus R love. L plus R no could possibly be like Loretta Luisa versus Ronaldo or something like that. So this is all about love. This is well designed. This is well designed padlocker. If it make say they intentionally designed this one. Yeah. It designed it perfectly. They say this is what we mean. So we and this is what we have. Odopa na achichiri womu just one be we answer na ade be rasia say it takes years. Okay, this particular one happens it happened 15th August 2022. That is Kel This one is Kale and Joy. Yeah, so nice. Kale and Joy. And see who say? Yeah. So nice, so nice. Yes. What you say? Ache. Man for the ache. Where do you want me say? 13, 12 muho. Wow. This is what Eridi Lee or Freddie Lee and Eridi and Mason. I don't know, but this is how it is. Idea was here. I say and by Bristol. So nice. Because I have no. Very, very nice. 80. Hase na kwa Chairman. Handy. That's it.